For people who says कि एक बार वजन कम हो जाएगा उसके बाद जिम जाएंगे, although it's a very wrong approach.
हाँ, but
By the
है,
way,
but it's there, right?
it is there कि वजन कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि they don't feel comfortable going to the gym because the way they look.
So I have a live example. Like one of my cousins is going through excessive, like she gained after the kids and everything, and it's very hard for her to, because she's always been a very thin girl. Okay, for many different reasons she has gained weight. There's a lot of hormonal changes happening in her body, and a lot of has happened. Insulin, a lot of issues are happening. So she's been going to the doctors to talk about something and everything. But this is one of the problem is that she doesn't want to meet people. She doesn't want to be in the social gatherings because she cannot relate to herself anymore. So, and plus she is going through a time where she has 2 kids, she has to run around them. It's hard for her to, and she's not in Pakistan, and you know, बाहर आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें खुद करनी पड़ती हैं, you don't have enough time. So it's hard for her to go to the workouts every 3 days or even 4 days or 3 days or 2 days. मुश्किल हो रहा है उसके लिए. So she's psychologically, she's in a lot of stress. And if she wants to go for something which is going to give her a quick fix, but in a
Or maybe just a kickstart.
Maybe
just
right?
a kickstart.
So I think
it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine to have a kickstart.
एक और चीज़ है कि over the period I've seen कि पिछले 2-3 साल तक खैर अभी एकदम से बहुत popular है, लेकिन a lot of people were extremely against Ozempic. A lot of people, right? And now slightly and slowly things are a little different. They're changing. क्यों मुझे नहीं पता. मैं जो समझ लग रही हूँ, मुझे जो समझ लग रहा है सारी चीज़ से कि उसके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स अब सामने भी आ रहे हैं अदर देन द फैट लॉस. दैट इज़ द वन थिंग विच इज़ आई थिंक अ साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ what is happening. बट उसके अलावा जैसे कि I haven't seen the data myself. I haven't seen the research myself. But a doctor was saying in a podcast that she has seen the research जहाँ पे brain fog, digestive issues, of course insulin, obviously a lot of things have improved for people who were on Ozempic or taking GLP, basically the peptides.
Yeah. So the question is the improvement because of the weight loss or the improvement because of the Ozempic? So this is a very subjective matter. कि वेट लॉस की वजह से आपने इम्प्रूवमेंट भी है कि ओजम्पिक की वजह से इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है, तो वी आर नॉट श्योर कि एग्जैक्टली. तो अगर ओजम्पिक लेने की वजह से देयर आर सर्टेन चेंजेस हैपन विच इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू, आई वुड से ओके ठीक है, क्योंकि आई नो समवन हु इज टेकिंग ओजम्पिक एंड इट बेनिफिट that person. I'm sure you know
Same here, yeah.
Some person right
Yes.
now. I think everybody know one person who is taking Ozempic, and it is benefiting them. The one thing that people are going wrong is not training and not taking care of the nutrition. Ozempic लेने का मतलब ये नहीं है just eat whatever you want, right? Ozempic लेने का मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि अच्छा वजन तो कम हो रहा है तो ट्रेनिंग नहीं करनी है. This is the approach so many people take it, and it is a very wrong approach. You should not train to lose weight.
I think ये वही वाली बात है ना, कोई भी डाइट कर लो लेकिन जिम नहीं जाना, हम डाइट से वजन लूज करेंगे, तो वो वही वाली बात हो गई.
Fitter with just diet. वजन कम हो जाएगा, but you will not be in shape, and this is where the problem will happen in future. तो यहाँ पे Ozempic लेने का मतलब लोगों के लिए, काफ़ी लोगों के लिए ये हो जाता है कि they don't care about what they're eating, कि कम खा रहे ना,
कुछ भी
कम हो
खा
जाएगा, कुछ भी खा रहे और कम खा रहे, वजन कम हो जाएगा. बट मसल लॉस करने से आपको बेनिफिट नहीं होने वाला. इफ फैट स्टेज देयर एंड मसल यू आर लूजिंग, देन उसका बेनिफिट होगा नहीं. तो आई थिंक एक तो इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ओजम्पिक कब लेना है, क्यों लेना है, उसकी एक स्पेसिफिक रीज़न लेना है, कितने टाइम के लिए लेना है, किस डोजेज पे लेना है, और जब आप ये स्टार्ट करते हो उस वक्त आपकी डाइट क्या होनी चाहिए और उसके बाद आपकी ट्रेनिंग क्या होनी चाहिए.